Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a cleaning motivation video for you. I've already vacuumed, but I'm going to mop and tidy up and do some things around the house. In case you haven't already figured out, I'm doing all my filming and editing on my phone, so it's kind of a rainy day outside. There's not a lot of natural light today, so I hope this all turns out really good. So the first thing I'm going to do is mop my living room where I already had vacuumed. Normally, I'm an all-natural cleaning product kind of a person. I use a lot of essential oils, but I wasn't sure if I could use essential oils in my steam mop yet, so I just decided to use this instead. This morning, my husband had the kids with him, but he brought them back, so I just had to carry on doing what I was doing with the baby. I didn't mind, he's a little cutie. I just decided not to do the deep mopping like I was going to and just do what I could while I was holding him. Sometimes close enough is good enough. I cannot say enough good things about this steam mop. I'm so happy that when you're done, you can just walk right over it. It dries so fast. Soon I was able to put Jesse down in his walker and move into the kitchen with the mop. After the floors were done, I started in on the bathrooms. Now, I didn't do a deep clean in here. I just tidied up, wiped down, cleaned the surface area of the toilet. I did a little scrub in the tub, but it just needed a little bit more than the rest of it. I didn't even mess with the floors. They didn't really need it. I figure while I was in there, I would do a little disinfecting. My daughter's been potty training, and so I feel like the bathroom kind of gets a little gross sometimes. Speaking of potty training, I made sure to wipe that down. I try and do that at least once or twice a day. I feel like it keeps things much, much cleaner. In addition to the smaller potty chair, we also have a toilet seat on the actual toilet. I feel like it helps her not be so scared of the toilet when she goes on there. I'm just going to take everything out of the tub. I ended up moving the soaps and everything up to the window that's above my tub because lately my 2-year-old has been getting into the soaps and spreading them all around the bathroom. That's not a fun job to clean up. All I use to clean my tub is vinegar and baking soda and water. First, I wet the whole area and then I put a little bit of vinegar on my sponge, sprinkle a little baking soda on there for the scrubbing power, and then scrub away. The vinegar helps keep the water stains away, especially on the faucet. The baking soda gets all that soap scum up, and if you use a non-scratching sponge, then it won't scratch the surface. Then I rinse everything with hot water as soon as I'm done, and I feel around to make sure there's no baking soda residue left. I don't normally do this, but I did a little extra spray of bleach at the end. I felt like it needed a little extra something. Our water has a lot of deposits in it, and so sometimes it can kind of stain the tub even after all the soap scum and dirt is gone. I'm just going to put everything back in the tub and let it dry. Next, I'm going to take out the trash. I leave a little baking soda in the bottom of the trash can to absorb the odors from the diapers that we take off before bath time. It feels so good to look in the bathroom and see that it's all cleaned and wiped down. It's just a very refreshing feeling on this kind of a dreary day to have something that's so bright and shiny, even if it is a bathroom. Now I'm going to move into the living room and clean my glass tabletop. I know that aerosol isn't the best, but I found this glass cleaner at the Dollar Tree and I really like it. You get a lot for $1 and it leaves a really streak-free finish. Now I'm going back into the kitchen. I'm going to load my dishes into the dishwasher, wash any that need hand washed, and then I think I'm going to be done for the day. Just in case you're wondering, that's dish soap that we installed right there instead of a sprayer nozzle. I recently learned that I'd been washing my cast irons all wrong. I thought you needed to use steel wool and like scrub the heck out of them, but turns out you're supposed to use a soft sponge and some soap. Who knew? I try to dry my cast irons right away so that they don't rust. I also season them, but I didn't actually do that for this video. That's about as far as I got before somebody needed a little extra attention. And that's okay with me. I'm just going to call it a day. Thanks for watching the video. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you like cleaning motivation videos.